The Principles of Atum-Ra. The ancient science of creation, consciousness, and divine becoming. Before the stars burned in heaven, before the earth carried rivers and mountains, before time itself could move, there was only the infinite abyss. The ancient Kemetic sages called it none, the boundless ocean of potential. And from that cosmic silence arose a force of will, a consciousness that spoke itself into existence, a divine intelligence that became light, life, vibration, and reality itself. That force was Atum. Tonight, we journey into one of the oldest spiritual teachings ever recorded, the Principles of Atum-Ra, the self-created source, the eternal light hidden within all beings. Segment 1. Who is Atum? The name Atum carries a profound meaning. In the ancient Kemetic tradition, Atum represents the complete one. Not a god in the simplistic modern sense, but the symbol of primordial consciousness itself. According to the sacred teachings of Anu, known later as Heliopolis, Atum emerged alone from the waters of none. No parents, no creator before him, no external force shaping his becoming. He was self-generated awareness. The ancient texts describe Atum declaring, "I came into being by my own will." This principle is foundational to Kemetic spirituality. Atum represents the power of conscious creation, the idea that existence begins first in mind, in intention, in vibration, before it appears in physical form. In this ancient worldview, creation was not random chaos. It was intelligent emergence. The universe itself was spoken into order through divine consciousness. And that same spark, according to the sages, exists within every human soul. Segment 2. The waters of none. Before Atum appeared, there was none. None was not nothingness. It was unformed possibility, a limitless field of potential energy, without shape, without direction, without individuality. The Kemetic initiates understood this symbolically and spiritually. None represents the unknown, the subconscious, the cosmic womb. Modern people often fear emptiness and silence, but the ancient wisdom teaches something different. Silence is not absence. Silence is preparation. The void is where transformation begins. Every invention, every vision, every rebirth in human life emerges first from an invisible realm. Atum rising from none symbolizes the awakening of consciousness from unconsciousness. The moment awareness says, "I am." This is why many spiritual traditions around the world center on self-awareness, meditation, stillness, and inner awakening. Because before external creation comes internal realization. Comes internal realization.